hate to say it, but we kind of killed it on this one. This is the S550 Mega Mantis angle kit with our new prismatic powder coat, actually called FDF Green, which is great. We're just giving everyone a little bit of a in-look on some of the new kits and new developments that we're doing. Let's look at what I showed you last time, but now if you come over here, Jack. All right, so taking a look at everything that we can see here, we have fitted a full tie rod option. It's an 11.5-inch tie rod, right hand, left hand, our rack adapter. This is a super common setup that we've sold a ton of for every car. We have shim adjusted Ackerman. So essentially I take these 3 bolts, back them off, slide the shim in, retighten it. Currently we're in our maximum positive Ackerman setting, and if you refer to my Ackerman display, you'll know on a front rack that I need to space this out to reduce my Ackerman. So this is currently in our maximum positive, and you're gonna see that when we go lock to lock. This is our lead wheel bump stop, currently contacting the knuckle. You can see that nicely here. Bam, nice hard stop there for the lead. And then we have this billet bracket, again, with shims. Let me grab those. The trailing wheel bump stop shim goes in like this. Then you tighten it down, you can space that out. It's gonna be contacting the outer tie rod. So with the Ackerman at the maximum positive setting, this is the limit of the trailing wheel. So you can see we would need to add quite a few shims to get out to the outer tie rod. The setup on this car is not perfected, but the adjustment range is there. You can see how long these are. We can easily bring this bolt all the way out so that this will contact there very nicely. Putting this back straight again. So the mount kit's gonna be approximately 20 millimeters shorter than this, without the need of the top plate. So you can run the stock camber plates that your coilovers come with. That is gonna be such a nice setup because you could still do the hydraulic rack and still fit within stock fenders with the mild kit and still get a decent amount of angle with a really good, solid bump stops, lead and trail. That's kind of the biggest thing with mild kits, is that it's difficult to create a angle limiting factor because we have to limit the angle around 50 to 55 degrees. You need the limits to be quite aggressive and early, whereas on a mega kit like this, we're going all the way to the full rack travel left to right. So you can have a narrower arm with narrower bump stops on a full size kit. That's all I have to show for all of the benefits and overlook at this. The caster adjustment here is really sick. Currently it's slightly loose, we still need to tighten it, but that works incredibly well for lengthening and shortening the arm, allowing that tension arm to rotate, gives us the ability to make those huge adjustments with no chance of anything failing or coming loose. And if it needs to be replaced, it's very easy to unbolt the new one on. So thank you guys for watching this video. That's it. We're off to film another one.